Hi, I'm Rachel from EquityList. Let me walk you through our equity compensation module, your central hub to manage ESOPs, SARs, and RSUs all in one place. We'll start with an overview of your equity pool. This is where you can see how much has already been allocated and what's available for future grants. Now let's look at how new grants are issued. You can create a grant in seconds. Just select the ESOP pool, choose the stakeholder, specify the grant type, number of options, grant issue date, vesting start date, and any other relevant details. One important feature here is the ability to customize the post-termination exercise period at the grant level, based on different termination scenarios. For now, we'll go with the default exercise period defined in the plan. As you enter these details, EquityList shows you helpful statistics, like how much of the total pool this grant consumes, any existing grants issued to the stakeholder, and their cumulative ownership across all grants. Next, let's move on to vesting schedules. You can use one of our ready-made templates or create a custom time-based or performance-based vesting plan from scratch. For time-based vesting, you can define the cliff period, vesting frequency, total duration, and other details that determine how equity vests. Then there's performance-based vesting, where you specify the milestones that must be achieved for equity to vest. Once grants are issued, the system automatically tracks their expiry based on the configured exercise windows. When a deadline is reached, the grant will appear in the Lapsed Grant section. From here, you can mark it as lapsed with a single click, returning unexercised options to the pool. And finally, let's look at reporting. You can generate vesting and exercise reports, along with expense reports that comply with ASC 718 in the US, and IND as 15, and IND as 102 in India, so you're always audit-ready and compliant. That's just a glimpse of what you can do with EquityList's equity compensation module. Explore it further by signing up for a free trial.